Rob Ahmed here with Gene Activated. Today I'm going to take you through my warm-up. This is the warm-up I do before any workout. Today it's leg day, so it has to be even more extensive. My warm-up lasts anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, so today I'm going to take you through it. So we're going to start with the lower body. I'm just going to start running first, just to get my legs used to what's going to happen, what's going to come. So we're going to do 6 laps. Pick up the speed every lap. Now I'm going to go backwards for a few laps. Now we're going to go side to side to warm up the adductors and groin. Alright, now we're going to do some leg swings. Stretch out the hip flexor and the hamstrings. $15 per leg. 15 this leg. Now switch. I'm going to go across. Alright, that's a little bit of basic dynamic movement for the lower body. So now I'm going to continue doing it for the lower body. There's more to it. You can open up the legs and then shift side to side. Keep the chest up. And stretch out more of the insides, the groin, the adductors, also the knees. Now once you're done 15, you keep doing it, but you go even lower. And try to hold and pull. Hold and pull, try to get lower and lower. You need your hand to support, you can support with your hand. The biggest reason people get injured is they don't do their warm-ups properly. So before every workout, I spend a good 10 to 15 minutes warming up. And that's how I don't get injured and I can work out all year round without getting injured. Next, what we're going to do is you're going to stay here, twist, pivot, and turn, twist, pivot, turn, twist. Okay, last we're going to do the lateral lunge. It's going to do your butt, your hips, and your legs, and your knees. Great stretch to open up the hips. You can do about 15 as well. Open up the side of the hips and the gluteus medius. Okay, lower body's pretty much done. Shake it out, now we do upper body. Even though I'm doing legs today, I'm still gonna use my upper body. So my back, my arms, right? So you can do a few, 15, 10 to 15. It's up to you, however much you want. Go forward, backwards, small. I start out with 15 small, and I'll go 5 medium and 5 as big as I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go side to side with my shoulders. Pretending like you're skating on the ice. Up and down this way. Then do some shrugs for the scapula, shoulder blades. Backwards, now we go forward. Some chest. This is all dynamic stretching, which means that I'm moving, and in the movement I am stretching the muscle. So you want to do this before you start the workout, and then we can do something called static stretching at the end of the workout, which is when you just hold a muscle in one position and then stretch it. This is moving the muscle as I stretch here. Stretch. Okay, now we're going to do the back. So what you want to do is you want to pretend like you're scratching the back of the wall with your elbows. The last stretch I do is for my lower back and my hips. So what I do is I'm going to pretend to open the floor with my legs, pull on my knees, pack my back, and stretch. And then I'm going to push it all the way out. Pull again, push again, pull and push, pull and push. And now as you can see, I'm sweating a little bit, which is what you want to do. Now I'm warmed up. Now we'll begin our leg day. Let's go.